Mini-myth number 654. A very hot dog. In July 1981, David Kerwin was visiting Yellowstone National Park with his friend Ron and his dog Moosey. Moosey saw a hot spring and promptly jumped in. David dived in head first to save the dog from drowning, but the hot spring was very hot, 185 degrees. By the time he climbed out, he was suffering from third-degree burns. He and his dog died soon after. Did this tragic event really happen? Unfortunately, the sad tale is true. So please, take extreme care when approaching a hot spring.